Google account for this. It could be a YouTube account, a Gmail account, it doesn't matter. Go to google.com, type in Google Sites, click the sign in link, enter your credentials. It should bring you to this page, Google Sites. Now you can choose from a pre-made template, a project template, portfolio, event, help center, blah blah blah, or start from scratch, from zero, blank. Click the plus sign, and this gives you a single page. This is your home page. You can see on the right hand side here, pages. You've only got one, it's home. You can add more by clicking the plus sign, about page, contact page, and so on and so on. Anyway, let's just deal with the home page. Insert. You can insert all sorts of content on this page. For example, an image and text. You can change the title. Let's call it My Name. You could add a picture, upload a picture from your desktop, or select an image from Google, like Google image search. Type in cars, for example. Let's choose this car, insert that image, and let's change the text to My Car Collection. Alright, so that's our first bit of content. You could add more stuff as you go down. You can delete stuff on the side. It's very simple. Drag and drop, do what you like. You can add buttons, videos, whatever you want. You can also choose from pre-made themes. For example, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision. Very quickly you can change the look and atmosphere of the theme. You can also change the graphics on any of these templates. Then when you're ready, you click Publish. You can also choose a subdomain. So I'm going to call mine Will Ellington. So website. So the address is going to be sites.google.com/view/Will Ellington website. If you're happy with that name, click Publish. That's it. Click View at the bottom. And there's my bare bones beginning of a website. Obviously I'd have to add more stuff, need more content, but there you are. In just about a minute you've got a website up and running. Also, huge benefit, this is running on Google. You can integrate this with Google Analytics. Create a free account with Google Analytics. Go to the settings button, see Analytics. You can also change the domain to a custom domain. You need to buy that. You can do that through Google if you want, or through another provider. Yeah, you can do all sorts of things with Google. It's a very underestimated or undervalued free website maker. I recommend it, especially for SEO. Yeah, check it out. Alright, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. Any questions, also in the comments. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.